You in PB? Oh, you don't be sitting there. Will you take me dancing?
I don't know about that.
You scared? Hey, how you doing?
What day you say Tony's was open?
Today. So my mom is enjoying her Christmas gift. You guys saw me design this on a video, the tote bag, and she has her paparazzi packages to ship. And if you guys want to shop with her, it's clutchjewelrybox.com. Hey, Shirai. Good morning. Say hi to the vlog, to the vloggy vlog. Oh, you got milk on you. Y'all, look at my baby nails. Purr. Oh, yeah. And her hat. Clutch Jewelry Box on Facebook. Got the paparazzi packages. You still using the website domain name, right? ClutchJewelryBox.com? I think I'm about to say, I think I still pay for it. Okay, y'all, get your jewelry cutified, beautified.
It will look good
On you. Make sure y'all follow her.
Right there.
Follow her on Facebook,
Instagram. Soon TikTok.
Okay, tickety top.
Soon Reels.
Okay.
Check me out on stories.
Okay.
Okay, bling to the bling bling.
Okay.
Hey, and don't forget, guess what? Tax free until 11:59 on the 31st of December. Come join us. We have lots of fun.
I don't know. This might be released after that, but still, y'all can go shop with her because you do tax free 1 day a week.
Pretty often.
Yeah, and then you get prizes.
Yes.
She ships.
If you join my VIP messenger group, we play games. You get to see all my jewelry I purchased that day first. You can pre-order. So when it comes in, it's yours already.
Yes, and she does wall drops too.
Wall drops, yes,
you can check out all the jewelry.
Check it out. Jewelry, and more jewelry.
Cox Jewelry Clutch.
Jewelry
Girl.
Box +1.
+1.
And
Right,
the
Shirai?
+1 is my husband.
her husband. Hey, steak? I need evidence. Hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. What happened?
This nigga still come outside. Hold on. Hold on. All right.
Oh, it's supposed to be driving. They gonna shoot off. Oh, rocket ship. Oh, you better hope that shit don't get. Oh. I know you fucking lying. What happened to the other one? Y'all shoot that? Huh? Oh. Happy New Year! Yeah. All right, so we are headed back to Texas, and some of my products have already arrived for my birthday lunch, and I'm excited to unbox them once I get home, or maybe tomorrow. And I have to record a podcast, back to work. Hope you guys had a great New Year's. You go home? Carrie. Kariki. He ain't part of the family, you ready to go home? You have been so good at the airport. That's a good boy. So this is another part of the ongoing studio vlog that I'm doing, and on my birthday I'm launching my stationery business products that I decided I wanted to create for the new year. I think I briefly mentioned it. What else did I order? I ordered, let me go to my list. I ordered art prints, postcards, and greeting cards from Canva. So I'm waiting on that to come. I haven't done anything else, but I think I am going to put this image up on Redbubble and probably TeePublic and all the other websites that I have. As you know, this was one of my art prints here that I'll probably go ahead and use this one and put that up too, because I love that one as well. And I love the geometric shape, so that's going to be a fixture in a lot of my pictures. So go ahead and put this video out on Friday so you guys can see what has been going on. But it has been a long trip back home. Not everything stays in these videos, but I try my best. Again, this is just something that I'm trying out. After March, if the studio vlogs are not getting like the views or the engagement that I am looking for, then I'll probably stop doing it, but just do unboxings of the stationery products that I'm creating and releasing each month. So if the vlog type things of me talking and things like that is not big, I'll just do separate unboxing videos. So actually what I am going to do is I'll do a full unboxing video each month. So look, just sitting here talking to y'all, I just got an idea. So I think I'll do that. And yeah,